Welcome to Echo3. We provide great value online safety, health, and environmental training. This short video provides instructions on how to use our learning platform. Ordering courses. You can order courses for yourself or purchase for colleagues. First, visit any of our course pages to get full details about the specific training. Now, if you wish to purchase for your team, add the correct quantity to the basket or purchase credit. Credit provides an easy way to get access to all our courses with one transaction. Then check out. You can do this securely using PayPal or Stripe. Alternatively, email us if you would rather get a quote and raise a purchase order. There are no expiry dates on any courses purchased. They remain available until accessed by your staff. If you enroll a learner who doesn't start a course, you can delete them and enroll someone else. If ordering for yourself after payment, you will see the courses available. Your certificates will be emailed on completion and also stored online for however long the certificate is valid. If you order for colleagues, you get admin access where you can enroll others. Enroll and track. After purchasing courses, you get access to the administration area. Here you can enroll staff and track their progress. First, select any of our courses you need from the Select Courses option. Any courses selected will now appear on the Enroll Learners page. Here you can add learners to courses until credit is used up. On the top right, you can see how much credit you have available. To add learners to courses selected, go to Enroll Learners and click the tabs for each course you want. Enter the learner name and click Add Employee. If you include their email address, learners receive a login link automatically. If a learner is already in the system, search for their name under Existing Learners. As an admin, you can add yourself to courses here too. This way, learners will have one login code for all their courses. If you're happy, go ahead and click Finalize Enrollment. At this point, learners are added to the course and sent an access link if their email has been included. You'll see a tab appear confirming the enrollments. That includes login codes. If you didn't use emails for the learners, you need to give their codes. Editing and reporting. Under the Reporting tab, you can track each learner's progress, download certificates, and send reminder emails. Some customers like to receive their staff certificates via email as soon as they pass. You can activate this option under the Account tab. If you enroll a learner who doesn't start a course, you can delete their enrollment and get the credit back. Email us if you have any further questions. info@echo-3.co.uk